Welcome back to the shop, everyone. It's been a little while since I've done any of the CNC plasma table content, and I've got a few jobs recorded, so I figured this would be a great time for me to put out a new video because JD's Garage has just announced some updates to both the firmware for the Arduino and the open build software in Fusion 360 if you're using it. Also how to kind of run through and set up all of the settings for a job in Fusion 360. So if you haven't seen that video yet, go over to their channel, check it out. They do an excellent job explaining it all. With that, let's just jump into some cutting on the machine. You'll see that the Y-axis works. God, that's cool.
For some reason it didn't finish this corner off all that well. I mean, the plate may have jumped around a little bit, if I had to hazard a guess. But you know what? For right now, that's okay. Maybe a little bit slower travel rates. Get us there. I'm curious to know why that corner didn't cut. No, that's same. Okay, it just for whatever reason didn't finish the cut, but you know what? We can work with that.
Alright, well, we've got some metal on the table, we got the torch all ready to go, we got a program loaded up, so let's cut out some brackets for my procharger. God damn, I love that thing. So let's see what we see. So you can see that the whole thing is, all the cuts are angled. I don't know how well you can see that. Yeah, so all the cuts are angled, like this huge angle, almost like the torch is riding over. Which I'm guessing it probably is, so I'll pull one of these out and show you. Yeah, so you see like down the edge of this profile, just wicked angled. Yeah, it's pretty. Alright, so I've swapped the tip out from the stock torch to this one because, as you could kind of see before, I don't know if you'll be able to see it all, but this tip is all sorts of bad time. It's got a big chunk out of the side, so I think what was happening is the plasma was being forced out the side instead of straight down. So with this new tip, well, I shouldn't say new, but new to me. Much better. So we'll see when it starts cutting off. Oh yeah, that is so much better. There's still some angle this way, but that is pretty nice on the sides. I think this will work. Oh yeah, that came out of there like nothing. Got some dross on the back side I'll have to play with and figure out, but yeah, baby, yeah. So good. Any reason why I shouldn't run it? I don't think so. Well, even though I didn't nail this last one, it was still a little bit on the small side. This plasma cutter is working well, and I'm really happy with it. So as always, if you've stuck around this long, I'd like to thank you for reviewing, and we'll catch you in the next one.